Hi, this is Dr. Gitanjali, and I bring to you past life regression in affiliation with the California Hypnosis Institute. So, if you do your past life regression therapist course from us, then you are certified to practice in 37 countries. What more do you want? How does past life regression help you? Well, if you are a therapist, psychologist, healer, and looking to increase the tools and techniques, past life regression is the course for you, as it will help you to deal with various issues of your clients and karmic issues. For example, if a client comes to you with a certain phobia, then you know it can be from a past life, and that past life is very important for that part to be seen at that point of time. We have seen so many victim perpetuator lifetimes, and when you learn this course of past life, we teach the different soul types. We talk about soul reincarnation, why do we take birth, what is the purpose of taking birth, and how does past life affect our current life. When we do a past life, how does it bring shifts in our current life. We teach you the different types of past life regression. We teach you the certain different modalities. Hands-on training will be provided to you in this course, in which because of the practice along with the certification, you will become a very strong professional past life therapist. In the past life course, we understand the journey of the soul. Why does the soul decide to take birth in a particular form? That means the concept of reincarnation, as explained by Krishna, Lord Krishna, in Bhagavad Gita. So, your soul is immortal, but you need a vehicle, which is your body. And because of that, you take birth in a certain family. We teach you why it happens. We teach the various myths and misconceptions about past life regression. How does past life regression help in improving one's relationship? How does past life regression help in creating a world that... My journey with past life regression began with Dr. Brian Weiss in the United States, the author of the book Many Lives, Many Masters, and it was an eye-opening journey, and my love for regression grew. I learnt past life regression with Hans Tandem. His course is known as Tasso. I'm also a certified trainer, a certified Tasso trainer.